Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you turmeric and castor oil face mask. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Turmeric is the best antiseptic and antioxidant for the skin that helps get rid of a lot of problems. It also adds a natural glow to the face and aids in lightening the skin's complexion. Combine it with castor oil and it would make for a perfect face mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon castor oil. Method: in a bowl combine 1 teaspoon castor oil along with 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and mix properly to make a smooth paste. Apply the paste on the face and neck area evenly and let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off using cool water and repeat every 2 weeks for flawless, blemish-free and radiant complexion. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.